Welcome to Marvel Rivals. Today, we're diving into the world of heroes and focusing on one of the most powerful mutants in the Marvel Universe. Meet Aurora Munro, also known as Storm, the Omega-level mutant with the power to control the weather. As a member of the X-Men, she brings the fury of nature to the battlefield in Marvel Rivals. Storm is a duelist hero in Marvel Rivals. She excels at long-range combat, using her weather manipulation abilities to damage enemies and empower allies. Let's see through her abilities. Her primary fire, Windblade, launches projectiles that can pierce through enemies, dealing significant damage. Windblade, launch forward piercing wind blades. This ability fires projectiles in a straight trajectory, dealing 55 damage per round. The ammo capacity is 12 rounds, with a reload time of 1 second and a fire rate of 2 rounds per second. The projectile speed is 150 meters per second, and the damage fall-off begins at 20 meters, decreasing to 70% at 40 meters. Windblade has the special effect of piercing through enemies. Her ultimate ability, Omega Hurricane, allows Storm to teleport to a targeted location and summon a massive hurricane, dealing devastating damage to enemies caught in it. Omega Hurricane transforms into a hurricane to draw in nearby enemies and deal damage. This ability has a maximum selection duration of 5 seconds and a tornado duration of 5 seconds. It deals 75 damage per hit and grants Storm 450 bonus health. The range is an 8-meter spherical radius, and the attack interval is 2 hits per second. The energy cost is 3,100. During this ability, Storm's weather control effects are disabled. Her core gameplay revolves around weather control, which grants passive buffs to herself and nearby allies. She can switch between two stances, Tornado and Thunder. Tornado grants Storm a 16% bonus movement speed, while her allies gain 8%. Thunder grants Storm a 16% bonus damage, while her allies gain 8%. One of her abilities, Goddess Boost, temporarily enhances the effects of weather control for 15 seconds. Goddess Boost, channel the power of the weather to empower Storm. Enhanced Tornado increases Storm's movement speed bonus to 40%, while her allies to 20%. It also slows down nearby enemies by 15%. Enhanced Thunder increases Storm's bonus damage to 30%, while her allies to 12%. It also summons Lightning to strike down at nearby FOs every 2 seconds. One of her abilities, Bolt Rush, allows Storm to unleash a lightning bolt in a straight line, creating a spell field that deals area of effect damage. Bolt Rush, unleash a lightning. This ability deals 80 damage and has a cooldown of 8 seconds. The range is a cylindrical spell field with a radius of 1 meter and a height of 40 meters. When paired with Thor, Storm gains access to Charged Gale. Charged Gale, Thor infuses Thorforce into Storm, granting her an electrifying enhancement. With this enhancement, Storm can unleash a chain lightning that bounces between enemies up to 3 times. Each enemy can only be struck by lightning once per cast. The maximum distance is 60 meters, with a maximum bounce distance of 5 meters. The lightning deals 55 damage, and the ability has a cooldown of 15 seconds. I am a mutant, and I'm proud to be one. As the Regent of Sol and the Protector of Araco, she now serves as a guardian for mutants on Earth and beyond.
I feel strong again.
Spider, toy the wind. Embrace the light. That turret is dangerous. Hit it.
Happy to help.
Full arsenal primed.
The Punisher has entered turret mode.
I am ready to put on a show!
Speed is everything! I bring thunder! Feel the wrath of the goddess!
By the eye of... I am absolute might!
Let's end this quick! I lift up my combat.
Full arsenal for me to stop that vehicle. I am ready to put on a show!
The chronal energy generated by the time stream entanglement has caused violent temporal tempests on the sentient island Krakoa, the nation that the X-Men call home. While her powers can stabilize the island's climate, Storm seeks a more permanent solution alongside her fellow heroes.
Double kill! That's 3! The turret is dangerous!
Feel the thunder!
He stopped them in their tracks! We better test this out.
Heavenly fury!
We are undefeatable!
Might!
Happy to help.
I'm fucking helpful! Heavy weapons. I'll patch you up!
Any healing is good healing. I bring thunder! Thunderstruck!
He stopped them in their tracks!
The Punisher is on the move again. An arc. Step carefully. Thunderstruck.
This is a nice...
Tanny needs help. Happy to help.
We are undefeatable! Fire mode! We'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner!
Join Storm in Marvel Rivals. Master her abilities, strategize with your team, and dominate the arena with the power of the weather-controlling mutant, Storm.